Alright, let's do the horn again. Making little changes every time. Digging it so far. This is an old setup that I've had for a while. This is the first in-runner setup that I used in my F-15 back in 2016. Perfectly balanced. I had it still, so I'm like, what the hell? Let's try it out. 4082 in-runner, 1600 kV, and the older style in-runner 12-blade fan. So it works really well in this plane. It only requires less than half to stay in the air, which is the F-15 would stay in the air at about the same. But this is a slicker airframe, so let's fly. Got a 6S 65C 5000 pack in there, the new China popularized. So got a little bit of wind, as you can see the flag over there. It's better than it was, but it is still windy. So let's go. Lots of power. More than enough. It's a little crazy, so I'm not going to dwell on that. Pretty stable plane. This setup flies effortlessly. Really happy with it so far. I'm not going to fly too quick. Lots of power. More than it needs. Way more power than it needs. Just what I like. You come by, do a gear pass, come in. Getting used to the system in this plane. Thankfully, it's not using that much power. liking it, digging it quite a bit. These landings are without flaps too, so. Not bad for a 3-year-old setup. This one actually has a lot less plane to move, so it does pretty good.